In this video, I'm going to show you how to invite friends in Poppo Live, and this is actually very easy. First, you have to open up your Poppo Live app and of course log in with your account. So once you're in here, you want to go to the very bottom right where you can see that icon I just clicked. There we go. And this is your profile over here. Now on your profile, what you want to do, over here at the right, you can see it says invite. So this button over here, you want to click on it. And then once you do that, this is the invite page and it's telling you what benefits you can get for inviting people. Now, when you want to invite a friend, what you can do is simply press invite now, which is the bottom at the very bottom of the screen. And as you can see, that button is blinking, so you want to click on it. And in here, you can see 4 different invitation templates. Now, you can choose which one you want to select, so which one you want to do, and you'll then be able to send that template via a link to your friends, and they'll be able to join Poppo Live via that link. So for example, let's say this first one is the one I want to do. You can click on share, and then you can see how it looks like. And then what you want to do is select if you want to share it via Facebook, Messenger, WhatsApp, Line, Instagram, or more, or alternatively, you can also copy the link. So what you then want to do is just copy the link or just choose one of the apps over here and then send it to one of your friends that you would like to invite to your Poppo Live app. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.